In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to A/B test with Klaviyo in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to optimize your email marketing campaigns for better open rates or you want to fine-tune your content for maximum engagement, A/B testing is a powerful tool that can help you understand what resonates most with your audience. First things first, let's make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account. Head over to the Klaviyo website, and at the login page you'll need to enter your email and password. Once you've input your credentials, click the login button to access your dashboard. If you're new to Klaviyo or you're not logged in automatically, don't worry, just follow the steps to enter your information and proceed. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the Klaviyo homepage, also known as the dashboard. This is where all your marketing magic begins. From here you'll want to navigate to the campaign section by clicking on New Email Campaign. This button ushers you into the world of email campaign management within Klaviyo, setting the stage for your A/B testing adventure. Once you're in the campaign section, the next step is to click Next, moving forward with creating your new email campaign. Now here's where the excitement really begins. To start your A/B test, you'll notice an option that says Create A/B Test. Clicking on this grants you the power to experiment with different elements of your email campaigns to see what works best. With the A/B test option selected, your next move is to decide what aspect of your email you'd like to test. For starters, you might consider the test content option. This allows you to play around with different versions of your email's content to find out which one engages your audience best. But remember, the beauty of A/B testing is not limited to content alone. You also have the option to test your email's open rates. This involves tweaking your subject lines or send times to see what gets more of your subscribers to open your emails. The open rate option is your gateway to optimizing those crucial first impressions. Speaking of timing, the test send time function is particularly useful for figuring out when your audience is most likely to engage with your emails. Click on this option to experiment with different sending times. It's a straightforward way to ensure your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes at the moment they're most likely to give them their full attention. After choosing what to test, you'll need to determine the specifics, like schedule dates and times for your A/B test. This step involves a bit of strategy, as you'll want to pick times that align with your audience's habits and preferences. So you've chosen your test variables and scheduled the A/B test. What's next? It's time to finalize the setup. Look for the A/B test setup button to review your choices and make sure everything is in order. This is like your last checkpoint before launch, ensuring that you've set up your test for success. Ready for the moment of truth? Proceed to the schedule or send option. Here you make the final decision on when your campaign and your A/B test go live. Whether you're gearing up to send it immediately or scheduling it for a specific date and time in the future, this step is where your preparation pays off. Finally, the last step in your A/B testing journey with Klaviyo is to actually schedule the campaign. Once you click on Schedule Campaign, your emails are queued and ready to go out according to your test settings. And just like that, you've successfully set up an A/B test with Klaviyo. A/B testing is an iterative process, so once your tests are complete, don't forget to analyze the results. Klaviyo provides insightful analytics that can help you understand which version of your test performed better and why. Use this data to continually refine your email marketing strategy, ensuring that each campaign is more successful than the last. In conclusion, A/B testing with Klaviyo is not just about making incremental improvements to your email marketing campaigns. It's about adopting a data-driven approach to deeply understand your audience and deliver content that truly resonates. So take the steps we've walked through today, apply them to your next campaign, and watch as your engagement rates soar. Thanks for tuning in, and happy A/B testing.